Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be making a welding trolley or welding cart for my new MIG 180 welding machine. You can buy the welding trolleys online, they're not that expensive, about £50, but we've got ourselves a new welding machine, we might as well make our own trolley. It's going to be a fun little project I think, and it will give us a good opportunity to test out the settings on this machine and practice welding. On a 45-degree miter on the end there, scratch that onto the metal. It's much easier to see a scratch. So this is our first frame. It's 700mm long by 300mm wide. I need to clean up these miters, and then I've got these welding magnets here which hold it at a 90-degree angle so I can tack it up in the right place. Now I only plan on welding the outside edge so I don't have to clean up the inside. Let's turn the gas on. Just put this clamp on here to keep it level. Just going to measure diagonally to make sure it's square. So you've got 76 and 76. 700 long, 300 wide. I think I'm going to weld the corners first and then run a weld through here. It's alright, we can grind that off. Let's have another go. See where I'm going. Okay, I've cleaned my welding mask, so I might be able to see where I'm going now. That's much better. So it turns out I've been welding blind, so hopefully on the next frame it should be a bit better. I'm going to grind all these off anyway. Okay, that's the first frame welded up. I'm pretty pleased with it. So I need enough room at the back of this trolley for the gas bottle, and then the shelf's going to be 500 by 300. I've got this roadwork sign, it's not very inclusive in this day and age, so we're going to have to get rid of this and repurpose it as my welding trolley. This is going to make the top frame work, so I'm going to cut this down and make a frame. Let's weld this frame up then. 2 frames. Got a couple of lawnmower wheels I'm going to use for the back. So I'm going to weld these bolts on the frame. If something's got an anti-rust coating on like this bolt, then you want to grind the coating off, because when you weld it, it's going to emit harmful gases. I want a couple of strengthening braces across this. So this is the basic framework then. We've got a larger frame for the base piece, and that's going to have our MIG welder on there and the gas bottle at the back. And then I want this tray on top. I've got these grab handles, again some more scrap just lying around, so I think I'm going to weld them on there, and that'll be good so you can grab onto this to pull it around, and then I'll probably put another handle on it as well. This piece has a bottom brace for the bottle. It's a bit hot at the moment. Ouch. I've got some slightly bigger caster wheels I'm going to be using on this so that the trolley's level, and I'm using one braked wheel as well so it doesn't go rolling away if we've got it on a hill. I've already got holes here because I was going to use smaller wheels before, but I thought I might as well do it properly and get some bigger wheels. tongue and groove cladding, which I'm going to use as the base piece to go in here. So I'm just going to cut it down into lots of little strips, and we can piece it together, and that will be the base. And these rubber strips will go in here to stop the metal on metal contact from the gas bottle. Nice grab handle here, pull it around. Yeah, I've just got an old ratchet strap which I'm using to secure the bottle to the welding trolley. Don't want that falling over. Hopefully it fits. Be a bit sad if it didn't, wouldn't it? So that's the main framework for the trolley complete. I now want to make a tray to go in the top here, and I want it so you can remove the tray. And that's going to be for keeping your cutting discs in there, maybe your welding electrodes. And then in the future, if I get another machine, like a plasma cutter or something like that, then I can have one on top of the other and then just turn this into a shelf. I've just got this 5.5mm ply, which I'm going to be using to go in the top. And this is going to be the base of the tray. So let's just check it for squareness. It's nice and square along this edge, and we've got a straight edge here we can work from. To avoid this breakout of the ply, if you just get a Stanley blade and score across the line that you're cutting, and then it won't break off the edge. So that fits in there nicely. Now I just want to cut some strips of wood to go around the edge to make a frame. One of the frames. I'm now just going to glue this and screw it to the base piece, and that'll keep it all nice and square. As well as the nails in the back, I'm going to whack a load of screws in. Just put these through here to space it out evenly, and then I'm putting a block in the corner, like that. I'm now just going to give this box a quick flick over with sandpaper and some varnish. I've just put some of the basics in here. So we've got a box of electrodes, we've got our MMA lead just on the regulator at the back here, ear defenders, wire brush, gloves, our slag hammer, eye protection, welding magnets, some spare MIG wire and some side cutters. And here we've got all the settings for the welding machine. I've laminated it. We've got one side for 0.8mm wire and one side for 0.6mm. That's my welding trolley all finished up. I'm pretty pleased with how it's turned out. We've got a nice storage bit in the top here for keeping all of our consumables. We've got a handle on the side for wrapping all of our cables around. You've got this grab handle for moving it around. We've got heavy duty lawnmower wheels at the back. We've got these caster wheels at the front. One's braked, so if it's on a hill, it's not going to roll down. It's given me a good opportunity to test out the MiG 180, and I'm really pleased with it. If you haven't seen my previous video about this machine, you might want to check it out. I unbox it, I show you how to set it up, and we test it out. I'll put a link to that video at the end of this one, so you can check that one out. And if you're in the market for buying a new MIG welding machine, or a TIG welding machine, plasma cutter, anything like that, check out Artec's website. They've got some great products, and if you use the code Turner at checkout, you'll get a discount of 7.5%. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you consider subscribing to the channel, if you're not already, it's completely free, and if you click the alarm bell, you'll get notifications when I post new videos. And let me know what kind of projects you'd like to see on the channel in my upcoming videos. Just leave a comment below, just tell me what you'd like to see, and I'll try and incorporate it. Thank you for watching as always, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys, take care. And I think this is going to live over here. Next to my tool chest there.